Hey everybody, in today's video I want to show you how you can create vertical text in Google Docs. There is actually no built-in tool that allows you to do that or button. You have to manually rotate the text, and I'm going to show you two ways how you can do the vertical text. Alright, so let's start. And we want to go to Insert, Drawing, New, and you can either copy your text from your document and you can paste it over here, or you can simply create this text box. So let's say we can type parrot. I'm gonna make this larger, resize it a little bit like this, all right? And now the first way how we can rotate this is basically by 90 degrees. So I can drag it like this, and we can have vertical text by rotating the text to the side which you want. So you can rotate it as well to the other side. And now if you click on Save and Close, it's going to give you this text over here. Now if you click on this text, you will have a couple of options. So if you want to place this, let's say on the image, you can do this in front of the text. So I'm going to select it. Here I will choose Fix Position on Page. I can drag it and I can put it over here. But of course I need to select this image as well, and I need to press behind the text over here, so we can actually see the parrot text. Now another way how you can rotate the text is letter by letter. So what I mean, I'm gonna click on it, edit. I'm gonna rotate it back to the normal position, and I will drag one of the sides till one letter, and then you can see it's going to create this effect where you will have each letter under each one, so like this parrot. Now I can save and close, and we can do the same. You can add this text on my image, or you can just move it where you want. So those are two ways how you can create vertical text in Google Docs. If you found it really helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.